Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off predictive text on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the setting gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. And then scroll all the way to the bottom where it says underneath other settings, more security and privacy. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the Android System Intelligence button. Select the keyboard button. And then where it says show smart text suggestions to keyboard suggestion strip, including smart reply and paste. Click inside the oval one time to toggle it to the blue position to the right, which means it's on. If you click it in one more time, it'll be grayed out, which means it's turned off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.